What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for your brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. As you guys just saw, we had trouble loading up 4 tires and 4 wheels onto the BMW, but we got it done. One on the passenger side, one on top of each car seat, and then we have 4 rims in the trunk, so it was possible. Had a little bit of trouble. We got 2 305s and 2 285s and the 4 11-inch wheels on the vehicle, locked and loaded, ready to get installed. I went ahead and ordered 4 new wheels, 4 new tires as my girl math. I had my rear tire pop from the Mustang, so I was like, you know what, this is my chance. I'm not only gonna buy 1 tire, but this is my excuse to buy the 11-inch wheels, because I did have 9.5s all arounds with a 2-inch spacer for the wide body, which is not recommended just because of the wear and tear it could cause for the suspension, the bearings and stuff like that. So I was like, you know what, I think it's overdue that I get the 11-inch wheels. So I went ahead and got them. I got a pair of SVEs. I was between the SVEs and the Adhans DSO5s. I just felt like it was a safer bet going with the 5-spoke design. So I had my wheels pop like about 2 weeks ago. Just when I started, I told myself I'm gonna do YouTube again. I was motivated, inspired, and then the wheels popped. And then I lost the freaking key, the lug nut key to the freaking wheels, to the SVEs that I have right now. So it took me another week and maybe like a week, about 5 days to 7 days finding the key. I finally found the key in my garage, so I can finally be able to remove the tires and rims. So I'm going ahead right now, go to the tire shop, get these guys installed. I hope I didn't mess up. I went with gloss black. I wanted to change it around. I do love the bronze color on my Mustang. So you know what, let me change it up. It's been about 3-4 years with the bronze colored, and I think that's the longest I've gone with a wheel setup. So I was like, let's go back to black. I had thought also about silver because it's the clean look as well, but I'm gonna go with black. I really do like the gloss black finish. So play it safe, gloss black, 5-spoke wheels. We're currently gonna go install them right now. Oh yeah. How does that look, guys? Y'all prefer option A or option B? I've had the bronze just for so long, and I'm just afraid to get away with it because I'm just used to seeing it. Love it, but oh man, I don't know. Plus, without any spacers, the fitment is pretty decent, not gonna lie. Damn, I like it. All right, guys, both rears are on. Now let me know what you guys think. I think the fitment is perfect. I think they look nice. I think they do the car justice. Now the only thing is I have to do the fronts now, but the car is completely dead. That's how long it's been on standby. It's just been there for a couple of weeks, so the car is completely dead. Gotta charge it up, move the car, that way I can use these planks on the front, that way I can raise it up. But check it out. Only issue is, and this is something really new beforehand, is when we installed these coilovers, the ride height was a little different. So you can see this side sits a lot higher, but not to worry. We do have a new set of coilovers here, brought to us by Max Speeding Rod. So maybe in the upcoming weeks we'll do that and adjust the height appropriately. I think this side is perfect, so we're just gonna have to adjust the one on the other side, and then take a break. It's pretty hot outside. Get something to eat real quick. It's bright and early, and then we'll do the fronts, and that way we can give you guys a full look around on the car. We are back to work, had some breakfast, freshened up a little bit. Now check it out. So I was talking about the rear tire blew up from the rear. I don't know what happened. This liquid is this is before I knew it blew up, before I removed the wheel. I put some of that fix to flat liquid in there just to see if we can seal it off and take it to a tire shop, but I saw that it was leaking everywhere. So this is some of the excess liquid from the sealant, but I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was a pothole or I don't know, look like a little slash, but it popped from the inside. Totally unfixable. Now another issue is, check it out on the wheel. Now I tried doing research trying to see the fitment. Now I went with 285s in the front with this 11-inch wheel. I did Google, I tried going on different forums, and it said it would fit. They would run maybe slightly stretched, but I don't know how I feel about this. This is a little bit more than I would have liked, to be honest. What happened here was that I used to run 285s with this wheel setup here when I first did the wide body. Even with the spacers, it was rubbing in the front. So I was like, you know what, if I go 295 or 305s in the front, it's gonna rub for sure. So I went ahead, tried playing it safe with the 285s, and you can see the lip does stick out just a little bit. So any curb rash that I do is like, this wheel's gonna be gone, like it's gonna be pretty nasty. So I'm gonna have to try drive pretty safe, be careful when parking in a corner with one of those edges next to me. But that's the only issue that I ran into with the fitment on the 285s. It depends on the wheel. There's some wheels that this wall will stick a little bit and it would have been a little bit better, but obviously you can see this wall, the outer wall goes inward a little bit there. But yeah, here's the fronts. I am charging up the car right now because it's been dead for about a week or two, so it is gonna take a while. All right, let's try it out, guys. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's see any luck. Oh, check it out, nothing. That's been about 5 minutes. All right, guys, 10 minutes later, attempt number 2. There we go, she's alive. This just happened. Check it out. I'm convinced, guys. Like, I guess maybe YouTube is not for me. Again, tried making a video, fixed the issue with my wheels, and now the damn serpentine belt just fell off. Like, I was trying to move the car forward, that way I can get them off of those, that way I can lift the front of the car, swap out the front wheels. Car just shut off, and this thing just, I don't know, popped out. It's crazy. It's ridiculous at this point. Yeah, so anyways, wasn't able to move the car, and the rears are on. I still need to swap out the fronts, so I need to go buy a new belt. Try to figure out how to install the serpentine belt. Never done it. My friend Efrain is my go-to mobile mechanic, homie slash best friend, everything. He's out of town, so it's either gonna have to do a FaceTime call, try to see if I can figure it out, watch a few YouTube videos or something. But yeah, so I'm really disappointed right now. That's how it looks like in the rear. Looks good. I already showed you guys fronts. I just don't know, man. I really don't know. It's a sign. Maybe I should not work on cars, do any car stuff anymore. I don't know. It's I don't know, guys. I have no words. I'm speechless right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. I tried making another video for y'all, but I just know I'm speechless. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.